Hi guys, welcome back to the Kids Cook World. If you are joining us for the first time, please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So today we're making green bananas or matoke with some chicken. I have already marinated mine. So I have some garlic, some ginger, red onions, carrots, capsicums. So I'm using all three because of color. And then I have my white onions, my lemon, some coriander on the side as well. It's just not here. Black pepper, turmeric, paprika, coconut cream, and definitely salt. So I've already done the preps. So let's get to cooking. So first you heat up your pan, pour in some oil, I'm using sunflower oil because it's healthy, you know. So next I go in with my onions. So I'll cook this until they are translucent because I don't want them to turn brown. So this is just about right. So I add in my ginger, followed by my garlic. I'll leave some for the chicken. And then I throw in my carrots. You can cut your carrots the way you want, doesn't really matter. I just like the color. As that is cooking, I add in a bit of my red pepper, my green pepper, and my yellow pepper or hoho. So make sure you mix that all in like that. And then you start going in with your spices. Turmeric, paprika, I was just grinding my black pepper, and then I'll just add in some bit of cumin, just a little bit. Mix that in. smell is amazing. The aroma is just out of this world. So lastly, I go in with my bananas. Isn't that a beauty? Then I throw in my salt, just a little bit of salt, a little water, so that it doesn't stick at the bottom, and then the water will assist with the cooking. Trust me, if you don't like green bananas or matoke, this recipe is just for you, because it also looks delish. It is delish. So I'm just tasting for the salt. It's perfect. So next I will add in my cream and let it simmer. I'm adding in my coconut cream. I think the water is, I need to add some little more water. Mix that all in nicely but gently. So next I'll cover and let it cook. So for the chicken, I'm using sesame oil. I've already added it in the pan and it is getting hot. So my oil is ready. Drop in your chicken. Do not pour the marinade out. We'll use it later on. So I'm going to cook this chicken until the sides turn brown. Oh, sadly, I think I used a small pot. So keep checking and turning them like that until they are well cooked. We are going to barbecue this. So as you can see, that I like the brown on the chicken. So next I'll go in a bit of green pepper, some garlic, and a bit of white onion. I'll leave some for guacamole. And bit of lemon juice, so I'll just squeeze this in. So I'll let that cook. And then I go in with my salt, a bit of salt, so the marinade has some salt. Some white pepper. Some white pepper. About a teaspoon of half a teaspoon of white pepper. And then I'll let that cook for a few minutes, because again we don't want our chicken to overcook. So the barbecue sauce that I'm using is this one, Chef Rubia's homemade barbecue sauce. So I love this sauce actually. I really do love Chef Rubia's barbecue sauces. You should actually try the passion one. The passion one is a favorite. So I'll take the marinade and just pour that in. This will assist to cook the chicken further. So as you can see, my bananas are ready. I go in with the last bit of the pepper. And coriander, chopped coriander. Then I remove from heat, turn off the heat, and mix that up gently, so that you don't end up breaking the bananas. Like that. So that is ready. I will not cover. I'll leave it open like that, because I don't want what are they called? The coriander to change color. So I have removed this from here and put it aside, and now we focus on the chicken. Yeah, that's it. So here's the chicken. So I will add my Chef Rubia's barbecue sauce, which is that. I'll use 2 tablespoons. And just mix that in like that. So for this, I'll reduce the heat and let it sit there for about 10 minutes. So next I'm going to make the guacamole. And here we have it, our barbecued chicken with guacamole and green bananas. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Until next time, bye.